guys, welcome back to the channel. So today me and the stuntman took out the 4th gen just to set a baseline before I put the gears in. We wanted to get a good accurate baseline so you guys have an idea of what kind of gains you can expect if you put gears in a car. Car never went as fast as I was hoping. I'd done some adjustments on the tune. We matched the best time I had last year, but we couldn't beat it. I was hoping we could actually beat it, but we didn't. Mind you, that one was run in probably 7 or 8 degrees cooler weather. I don't know what kind of difference that would make, but we didn't get what we wanted. But anyway, like I said, I wanted to get a good baseline for you guys so you could see the difference. When we put the gears in, I'm going to start putting them in next weekend, and hopefully I get it done right. Okay, so the stuntman's got a few plans for his car.
Most of you guys know, a while back I bought a new set of weld rims and 17-inch that would fit right on, bolt on my car without changing the brakes. And I bought a set of Mickey Thompson 315s to go on with them. And I figured with the research I done I wouldn't have any trouble hooking up, but after I got them mounted and on the car, it wasn't hooking real good. So I took it down to our local dealership, decided to get it lined up. It was going straight down the road and whatnot, but there's 2 lineups for them cars. One's one for, I don't know, racing, maybe more oval track, but anyway, I got and put that line up on the car, and it seemed to help quite a little bit with it hooking up. So I still have to ease into it to get it to hook half decent, but I thought it would dead hook and I'd be able to flash the converter and get a real good launch out of it, but I can't do that yet. So anyway, we'll keep working away at her. Might do some more suspension work to her. We put the trailing arms on it, so that would help a little bit too, but still not where we want it to be. But
neither one of us are where we want to be. My goal for this year was a 12.2. I don't think I'm going to hit it. Not, gears ain't going to bring me that far.
I think maybe in the future, I know I'm not hooking like I want to now, but maybe next summer we'll put a cam in her and see, get a tune to go with the cam, put that in there and see how everything goes. I got pretty well all the parts go with it now, if we could just get them all coming together. So
yeah, so my goal is 12.2. I ain't gonna make it, but my goal for him is a 12 or 11.4, and I think we will hit that with colder weather. I do, provided you can get some sort of traction. But you can usually figure out how to dig and get another 10th usually. Anyway, other than that, guys, I guess that's it for this video, but we sure appreciate everybody that's watching, and we'll catch you in the next one, I guess.
Have to go on a liquid diet for the next 2 weeks.
Yeah.